Hello, this is Jim Corkins, and today I'm gonna show you how to submit a completed PDF as an assignment. So suppose we're doing our first assignment right here, the Adobe PDF Reader editing tutorial, editing a tutorial or lab. So we've clicked on this. We've downloaded our Adobe Acrobat sheet right here by clicking the down arrow. You've opened it up, and now you've marked up your PDF. So notice here I've marked it up, and make sure you go up to the top right corner to hit save. So let me go ahead and do that again, and I hit save, and now I've saved that PDF. Okay, so at this point you can go ahead and close that PDF out, and now notice that there's no way to submit the assignment here. In order to submit the assignment, submit the PDF after you've completed it, go to Start the Assignment and go to right here where it says Choose a File. And from here, I would go to my Downloads folder and right here. And then I hit Open. Once you hit open, once you hit choose that file and you open it, go ahead and hit submit. Okay? And it'll process it, and then it does this little celebration. And you've submitted it, and it shows your date and time. Okay? So this is just a real quick way of submitting an Adobe PDF that you've edited and completed for a tutorial or a lab. Thank you.